You might think planets are just floating in space, but they're not. So, what is holding them in place? Think about when you spin a ball on a string. It doesn't fly away, it stays close to your hand. That string is pulling the ball inward. In space, something does the same job. The sun pulls on planets. That pull is called gravity. Inside this system, like gravity is always working, it never turns off. So, why don't planets fall into the sun? That's the real mystery. The solar system is huge. Planets are moving very fast and across very big distances. Each planet has two things, speed and gravity. But what would happen, if a planet suddenly stopped moving? It would fall straight into the sun. First, planets move forward, then gravity pulls them inward. Together, they create a curved path. Planets are always falling, but always missing. That's why every planet stays in its path, not floating and not stuck, but perfectly moving. Let's remember, gravity pulls inward, speed moves forward. Together, they make orbits. So the next time you look at the sky, remember, everything is moving in a perfect balance. But here's a question. What keeps galaxies together? Galaxies are held together by gravity too, but there's something else we cannot see. Scientists call it dark matter. It helps hold galaxies together, even though we can't see it yet. And here's something amazing. You are part of this too. Earth is moving, and you're moving with it. So the next time you look at the sky, remember, you're inside a moving universe. And if you're curious, what should we explore?
Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.